Careful, they're only a couple years old. Oh, owl snots, those were special to me. I lost my virginity in those 3 times. Hey, my maxi pad.